Welcome back. Today, we're in Townsville with the Powerpuff Girls. Bow Wow Wow Snack Mix is the recipe that caught my eye. I'm disappointed that there's no picture, but I feel like it shouldn't be too hard to make. This recipe has two versions, a spicy kick for adults and a fun sprinkle mix for kids. I'll split the recipe in half and make both versions. Let's start with the sweet version. In a microwave-safe bowl, add about 3/4 a cup of chocolate chips. The book suggests milk or semi-sweet, and I opted for semi-sweet, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Pop it into the microwave for 30-second bursts until it is melted. Take it out, mix, and put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Be careful not to keep it in the microwave too long or it could seize. Once the chocolate has melted, add the peanut butter. I am sure you could use any nut butter if you have allergies, and stir. I popped my chocolate peanut butter mix back in the microwave since it looked like it was cooling too much. Next, add the spices, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. In a large bowl, add 4 cups of crispy square cereal. I'm using a mix of 2 cups wheat and 2 cups corn square cereal. It's your choice when you make the recipe to stick to one type of cereal flavor or mix it up. Combine the cereal with the chocolate peanut butter mix and make sure all the pieces are well coated. Once the cereal is well coated, add the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time. After the last of the powdered sugar has been added, throw in your sprinkles and give it a good mix. I'm using the sprinkles I have on hand, but you can buy the recommended pink, blue, and purple nonpareil sprinkles to make it even more themed. That's one down. Now on to the spicy mix. It's pretty much all the same, except we add cayenne with the other spices instead of sprinkles. I used about half a teaspoon of cayenne. Since it's almost identical, let's just speed through. This is where I'm adding the cayenne. Tasting time. Let's start with the sweet. I was a little disappointed that my sprinkles didn't adhere to the cereal pieces. Maybe if I added them before the second cup of powdered sugar, the sprinkles would have stuck on. Still, the flavor is great, and I'm glad the cereal I picked wasn't any sweeter. The combo of the powdered sugar, chocolate, and peanut butter make this something anyone with a sweet tooth will love. Let's try the spicy. I like it. It's not as sweet as the other version, but I'm trying my best to find the cayenne. I don't taste any spicy kick. It's almost like a neutral group of flavors, not spicy and not sweet. I really wanted a big kick. When I make this next time as a full batch, I might up the cayenne from 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Either way, both versions were really good. And if you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.